Where is the eyebrow?
Eyebrow.
Very good. Where is the hair?
Hair.
Where's the neck?
Neck.
Where's the teeth?
Head.
Where is the tongue? Tongue. Where's the hand? There's the nail. There's the finger.
Finger.
Where's the skin?
Skin.
Where's the neck?
Neck.
Where is the hand?
Hand.
Where's the ears?
Ears.
Where's the hair?
Hair.
Where is the eyebrow?
Eyebrow.
Where is the back?
Back.
Where is the tummy?
Tummy.
Where's the tummy? Where?
Tummy.
Where's the dede?
Dede. It's a fish.
How old are you? How old are you?
Do.
Very good.
It's a